What's going on?
Every Easter, I like to fly a bird kite like a real sweet girl, but this year I couldn't, and neither could you. I'm encouraging my Guyanese people to obey the curfew. Be in your house by 6 p.m. and cook or bake or something. You see this? This is banana bread. Keep your distance and bake it.
Make more, Ashley, make more.
The best banana bread I've ever had. And it was so moist and just so tender, it was amazing.
What's going on? Happy Easter. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how I made banana bread. For Easter, I really wanted to do something nice for my flatmates. As you know, I'm currently doing my master's at the University of Sussex, and I live in shared accommodation. So that means I share kitchen with everyone, I share bathroom, and over these past few months, they've really become like my family. And for Easter, I really wanted to do something nice for them. As I was making it, I was thinking to myself, oh my god, like if this comes out really bad, I will feel horrible because these 2 eggs that I use were my last 2 eggs. Also, let me show you where I am recording today. This is the Brighton beach. It's a beach, but there's no sand. Let me show you. So as you can see, the beach here is all pebbles. And yes, I'm in sandals because it's spring and the weather is great in Brighton. I will try to find a healthier recipe. This one does have flour, sugar, and I will share it with you in my next video. Anyways, long story short, I hope that you enjoy this video, and if you try it out, let me know.
For this recipe, you will need 250 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, ½ teaspoon salt, 110 grams of unsalted butter melted, 130 grams of sugar, 1 large egg, 1 egg yolk, 60 milliliters of sour cream, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 3 ripe bananas mashed of course, and my add-ins are 1 cup blueberries, almond flakes, and desiccated coconut, which is just coconut that has been grated and dried. And feel free to screenshot this so it makes your life simpler. So I'm adding my flour, baking soda, and salt. For the wet ingredients, I'm adding 110 grams of melted unsalted butter to this bowl that already has the eggs, sugar, sour cream, and vanilla extract. In another bowl, I'm mashing my 3 ripe bananas, then combining it with my wet ingredients. Now I'm gradually mixing my wet and dry ingredients. Of choice are coconut, blueberries, and almond flakes. Comment below and let me know what your add-ins would be. The combination of almonds and coconuts ended up being so perfect. Next, I'm pouring my mixture into a loaf pan and adding more blueberries and coconut on top. I think living with different people and having to use these shared spaces teaches you a different type of discipline. You really need to be considerate of the space you use, the time you take to use that space. I woke up early and I messaged in our group chats and I said, hey guys, I want to use the kitchen to record, but it was very early in the morning, so no one was really going to be cooking at that time. In she goes, and I baked her for about an hour and it came out so good. Don't believe me? Well, let me introduce you to my taste testers. Changu is from Botswana.
The best banana bread I've ever had.
Am I forcing you to say this?
No! I'm doing it completely of my own free will. It was amazing. It was like the right amount of sweetness.
Yeah.
And the nuts were a nice extra little touch. And it was so moist and just so tender. It was amazing.
Oninye is from Nigeria.
I feel so sorry for your next workout session. You know, with banana you could go so sweet, but it was good.
And as I said, this is for my flatmates, so I'm just wrapping it up here.
Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps my channel out. And until I see you next time, remember to live a fit 360 lifestyle, healthy mind, healthy body, always. Bye. Guys, I'm having the banana bread while I edit the video, and it's so good.